children in cotton fields. Well, maybe it's a different time zone, but it's happening. So, and another thing is like freedom of speech, something that we don't have, and because we don't have, we were silenced for so many decades. We got ourselves into a situation that every word you say against the government causes you to be in prison for many years. We have one of the aunts here, over there she is, and then she came to ask for the freedom of her nephew who was falsely accused, Mansour Mingalov. He was defending the rights of BILDIRİŞ nations that is discriminated in Turkmenistan, and he was falsely accused for disseminating child pornography and drugs and was in prison for 22 years. He's been in prison for 8 years now. His health very deteriorated, and we don't know most of the time what's happening with him. So we came here to ask for their freedom. People who speak up their mind shouldn't be in prison just for speaking up their mind. And we know the prisons of Turkmenistan cannot afford 2-meter distance in the times of COVID. So we're asking, as normal any other country did, to do a temporary amnesty and let them people go to have some distance so they don't get COVID.
So it's the 75th anniversary of the UN. Do you think that it's still as an important institution to resolve many problems that we have in the world?
To be honest, I personally don't believe in that, because as we were seeing people dying in Turkmenistan, representatives of who went and spent 10 days in Turkmenistan came back saying there's no COVID in Turkmenistan. And they still get in exchange pleasant conversations on Twitter with the dictator or people who work for dictator. So I think it's double standard. If you apply sanctions against North Korea, Iran, and Russia, you should do the same against Turkmenistan. But Turkmenistan has been ignored. I feel like there's some kind of hidden tactics they play. It's not important right now, Turkmenistan, so that it's finally like shot under the carpet. So we are ignored, but we are here to change that.
Well, we wish you the best of luck.
Thank you so much.
Getting the message out.
Thank you.
Thank you.